Welcome back to Rolling Legends, where machines aren't just built, they're born to inspire. Today, we're diving into the future, where engineering meets imagination, and the motorcycle as we know it gets an extraordinary makeover. Close your eyes and picture it, a sleek, aerodynamic beast carved from carbon fiber, humming silently as it floats just inches off the ground. No, this isn't science fiction, it's the future of motorcycling, and it's closer than you think. The motorcycle of the future isn't just about speed, it's about synergy. Imagine a ride so intelligent it learns your riding style, adapts to your environment in real time, and even predicts danger before you can react. With built-in AI-powered processors and adaptive neural networks, this machine becomes more than a vehicle, it becomes an extension of you. It monitors your posture, your fatigue, even your stress levels, and adjusts everything from suspension to traction control automatically. It's not riding anymore, it's gliding through a perfectly synchronized experience. Let's talk power. This isn't your traditional gas-guzzling engine. This future legend runs on clean, renewable energy. We're talking ultra-efficient electric motors with instant torque, combined with graphene-based batteries that fully recharge in under 10 minutes. And thanks to wireless charging stations embedded in smart roads, this motorcycle can charge on the move. That means less waiting, more riding. Performance. Oh, it delivers 0 to 60 in under 2 seconds, with a top speed rivaling Formula 1 cars. But it's not just about raw numbers, it's the way it feels. Instant power, no lag, and the silence. Hauntingly beautiful, just the wind, your heartbeat, and the road ahead. Design-wise, this future motorcycle is a masterpiece. Picture transparent OLED dashboards that blend seamlessly into the windscreen, displaying holographic maps, traffic data, weather, and even augmented reality overlays for safer navigation. No buttons, no switches, everything is gesture-controlled or voice-activated. Want to change modes? Just flick your wrist. Need weather alerts? Just ask. It's like having a co-pilot, without the passenger seat. And let's talk wheels, or should we say, the evolution of wheels. These aren't rubber tires anymore, these are adaptive, shape-shifting smart tires that change tread patterns based on terrain. Riding in the city, smooth and silent, hitting the mountains, aggressive grip mode activates. Snow, the tires expand micro spikes for traction. You don't adapt to the road anymore, the road adapts to you. In safety, it's next level. With 360-degree lidar, thermal imaging, and high-res cameras, your bike has complete awareness of its surroundings. Blind spots, gone. Lane drift, corrected. Impending collisions, avoided with precision counter maneuvers. Even helmet tech gets an upgrade, with built-in AR visors, noise cancellation, and direct neural interface for total immersion. What about customization? The future doesn't offer one bike for all, it offers your bike, built for you. Modular panels allow you to change colors and shapes with magnetic locks. Lighting schemes are programmable, with RGB accents that match your mood. Even the engine sound, fully customizable. Want a deep growl or a silent hum? It's all in your control. Now, imagine riding at night. The road ahead glows faintly, thanks to integrated laser headlights that adjust beam angles based on your speed and curvature. The rear wheel leaves behind a soft trail of light, not just for style, but to make you more visible to others. Safety and aesthetics, perfectly intertwined. And the coolest part, this bike is connected to everything. Smart traffic lights give you green waves. Your garage door opens as you approach. Your smartwatch syncs your health data with the bike, and suggests when you should take a break. Your helmet streams live data, and your onboard system updates over the air, constantly evolving. It's not just a ride, it's an ecosystem. But even with all this tech, the soul of motorcycling remains untouched. That thrill, it's still there. That sense of freedom when the city fades and the horizon opens up. Stronger than ever, the future doesn't replace that, it amplifies it. With less noise, less pollution, and more connection between rider, machine, and road. This isn't a fantasy. Tech giants, startups, and legendary motorcycle brands are already building prototypes that hint at this vision. Companies are pushing boundaries with solid-state batteries, autonomous features, and AI integration. It's only a matter of time before what we dream becomes what we ride. So, what will the future sound like? Maybe it won't roar, it'll whisper. Maybe it won't vibrate, it'll hover. Maybe it won't follow the road, it'll create its own path. But one thing's for sure, it'll be legendary. Thanks for riding with us on this journey into tomorrow. If you love this vision of the future and can't wait to see it unfold, hit that like button, subscribe for more two-wheeled dreams, and share this with a fellow rider who lives for the open road. Until next time, keep your visor clean, your grip tight, and your heart open to the future. This is Rolling Legends. Ride beyond.